Okay.
You can open your box from Granny and Papa. Okay, I'll stand over here. Let's go this way. Okay, can you pull it? Can you open it here? What's in here? Can you do it? Oh, wow. There's a lot of sellotape on here. There you go. I'm going to have to go get scissors. Uh-oh. Okay. What's in here? Oh, Daddy, look at all these presents.
Better hurry up. You're out of battery.
Okay, ready? I'm going to take them out. Pull. Pull, pull. Good boy. Okay, let's do the next one. Pull, pull, pull. Good boy, let's put it over here. Okay. Got it? Woo! Look at all these presents that you got. Yes, thank you. Is that you saying thank you? Doll? Thank you. What else? Oh.
Wow, you got a lot of presents to open on Christmas, huh?
Say thank you. What else is in here? Can you pull it out? Got it? Ooh, is that a heavy one?
Wow.
Daniel, you're so spoiled.
You just hit the mother load, huh?
You're so spoiled.
Holy moly. It's like the endless box.
Mary Poppins. Oh, what's in here? Chocolate. Oh. It's a Christmas card.
You can't open those yet. You
Can't
gotta wait
open
till
them yet,
Christmas.
I think you can open this one. This is like your little meal bin that your mum got. You want to open this one? Oh, look! You used to love this. Remember? You went to Scotland.
Oh, cute.
Oh, it's a little royal meal bin. Do you remember?
Yay.
Okay, you gonna say thank you? Say thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, it's out anyway. Okay.